Asteroid Bennu, dynamically unstable and could be heading directly for our Earth. Not one to stir up fears, but I wonder if it has got to do all with the scientists and astronomers in a mild panic. In another article shared, we see Russian scientists working on testing lasers to blow up asteroids, and another one prior to that, a NASA program to deflect or destroy incoming asteroid threats. NASA, preparing spacecraft to nuke dangerous asteroids. So we wonder if perhaps they are truly worried about something hitting our Earth, impacting Earth. So let's be real. It's not as if they are going to tell us that they are worried, though it might be many years from now. They will surely need to be available, all the available time to perfect a method of averting an asteroid disaster, how to mitigate this. Now, it's not just some scare tactic to get shares or views from folks. Asteroid-Bennu, as you'll read here, as we read, presently is in a 1 in 2,700 chance of impacting our Earth, and the date is supposedly Sunday, September 2135. Express UK says the enormous asteroid, which has been called one of the most potentially hazard asteroids by scientists, is estimated to be the size of the Empire State Building. So this huge space rock has a potential to unleash 1,200 megatons of energy upon collision with Other Earth. That's 80,000 times the power of the Hiroshima bomb. Members of U.S. National Planetary Defense Team published a study warning of this possible dire consequence of the asteroid colliding with Earth. Scientists working with Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory have been collaborating with NASA on a spacecraft named HAMMER, that is short for Hypervelocity Asteroid Mitigation Mission for Emergency Response Vehicle, HAMMER. The craft, weighing 8.8 tons, 9 meters tall, that's about 30 feet tall, is usually able to deflect asteroids from Earth, destroying them with nuclear blasts. But scientists have deemed HAMMER inadequate in the case of asteroid Bennu, as it would be unable to move this huge asteroid off its current trajectory. The rock is 1,664 times heavier than the Titanic at 79 billion kilograms and is 500 meters in length. That's about 1,500 feet, the width of 5 football fields. Academics said using a single HAMMER spacecraft as a battering ram would prove inadequate for deflecting an object like Bennu. But another solution is sending several rockets carrying HAMMER spacecraft. However, the mission success rate would lower significantly due to the failure rate associated with each individual launch. So if the asteroid is blasted with nuclear bombs, the Earth could be showered with radioactive rock fragments, which of course is not good. Bennu has a 1 in 2,700 chance of hitting our Earth September 25th, 2135, according to researchers. Kristen Howley, a physicist at Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory and the co-author of the study, said the chance of an impact appears slim now, but the consequences would be dire. This study aims to help us shorten the response timeline when we do see a clear and present danger, so we can have more options to deflect it. The ultimate goal is to be ready to protect life on Earth. It could take a minimum of 7.4 years to reach Bennu if it was decided to send a craft, and many years for the small change in speed to accumulate into a sufficient change in trajectory, according to their study. But experts predict that if an asteroid the size of Bennu impacted our Earth, it would fall short of wiping out humanity. An asteroid would need to be at least 1 kilometer wide to cause mass extinction event, according to scientists. Ms. Howley added, the probability of a Bennu impact may be 1 in 2,700 today, but that will almost certainly change, for better or worse, as we gather more data about its orbit. As she says, delay is the greatest enemy of any asteroid deflection mission. That's why there's urgency in getting viable deflection platforms on the shelf today. This is by Isabel Van Bruggen on Express, and it's on Embedded Reality. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Support my Patreon account The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.